This is a snowy retake of the passenger elevator in the north end of Salling in Aarhus, Denmark. There's a bit of snow and I'll show the views later. The button for -1's ripped out. This elevator was previously a ThyssenKrupp from 2004, then it got replaced in 2022 and is now a KONE modernised 700. This one. New voices have been added on this elevator since I first filmed it. Back to -1. -2 is locked. We're back at level 6, now let's get views from the rooftop. Here's a view from this part of Salling rooftop. You can get amazing views of Aarhus, although we have got a bit of low cloud, so you can't see the top of all buildings. But there's lots of snow which fell in the early hours of today. That's the car park for Salling. Over there is the Domkirk. The top of Aarhus and some of the buildings are snow. And the lighthouse, which is the current tallest building in Denmark. And you can see towards Mols in the distance. You can also see towards Harbour. There's Waterhouses and Dockets. There's the Cromwell Hotel and other high-rise buildings in that area of Aarhus. Over there's the EY building and what's going to be. There's the tower of Aarhus Wallhus. And the rest of Salling rooftop. You can also see your rainbow panorama at the top of the Aarhus Museum, parts of Musikhuset and Branson Blue Hotel. And the prism on the border of Silkeborgvej and Viborgvej. And the Aarhus Botanic Gardens. And St. Mark's Kirk. There's Kirk as well. You can sort of see some of the buildings part of Aarhus University as well. And there's Riesgold, the area of trees. beautiful. And from this area of Salling rooftop, you can sort of look into Busgillen, where most of Aarhus bus routes run. And down to level 5. So lovely that more snow fell.